Hey, Ben Norman here, and in today's video I'm going to be talking all about technical SEO, what it is and the 5 things you need to monitor and make sure don't slip. So firstly, technical SEO, what is it? Really, technical SEO is any on-page SEO activities that you perform through your site, for your site, that isn't updating content. So the actual content on the page, take that away, everything else is basically technical SEO. So site maps, crawling and indexing, mobile optimization, SSL certs, canonical issues, site structure and layout, image optimization, even site speed, this all falls under technical SEO. So when we talk about technical SEO, these are the kind of things that we refer to. So without further ado, let's get on to the 5 things you need to pay attention to. Number 1, page speed really matters. A lot of people kind of put this down, try and ignore it. Oh, well, you know, it's just the site, this is just what it does. It's not good enough anymore. Site speed is a major factor when it comes to rankings. Everybody wants stuff now. Google will not rank you highly within organic SEO if your site is really slow. It's just not going to do it because it's all about the user experience, and it knows that if somebody clicks on that search result to come through to your site and they're sat there and the wheel's spinning, they won't wait, they'll just hit the back button. That's a bad user experience and Google will not tolerate it. So you need to do whatever you possibly can in order to speed your site up. So if you want to see how your site is performing like this, you can use tools such as GTmetrix. You put your website in, it will basically ping your site and it will work out how long it takes to load, and it will give you a whole host of data back, including a nice waterfall diagram that I like, which just goes to show like different elements and how long they all take to load. So you can start seeing what your overall page load speed is, and also which specific elements are holding you back. Top tip, it's probably going to be a load of images, or you're going to have some JavaScript stuff in there. Just go through, run it through your site through GTmetrix, see what is holding it up, and do what you can on the big things, the things that are taking a long time to load in. Try and get rid of those first and work your way backwards. Number 2, your site needs to be mobile friendly. Yes, you know, in this day and age, the majority of people are hitting your site on a mobile. If you check your analytics, I'm sure you'll see I'm right. And basically, if you are not designing in a mobile first approach, then you are going to be missing out. You need to at least be factoring mobile in, so you're looking at it as its own concern. You cannot just design for a desktop and expect mobile users to like it or lump it, because they will just hit the back button. Also, as I've said before, if Google sees that lots of people are hitting your site and hitting the back button and your bounce rate is high, then they will drop your rankings because it's not good for their users. Now, Google help you out here with their mobile friendly test page. You basically navigate along to it. Links to this are in the description, by the way. Navigate over there, pop your website in, it will show you the desktop version and the mobile version, it will compare the load speeds, and it will also tell you what issues it has with each. This is a really good starting point to being able to get your the mobile version of your site fixed in order to basically get that one squared away. So make sure you check that out. Number 3, SSL. The majority of sites are using SSL now. I know a lot of people kind of sit there and go, well, yeah, but you know, I'm not really selling anything. I'm not an e-com site. It doesn't really matter. An SSL certificate tells Google and your users that you take your privacy and their security seriously. You know, it is a ranking factor. It will affect your overall rankings. And for the cost and time to implement, it really doesn't take very long. Most people's host providers will basically click one of these in for you for free. There's very little changes you need to make to your site. So you need to make sure that you are running an SSL cert. If you want to check whether you are or not, if you navigate over to your website, look at the search bar next to your domain, you will see a little padlock and it will tell you that the site is secure. If it does, you've got an SSL cert, then that's great. If it's not, it will show a broken padlock and it will give you a little warning. So, you know, you need to then talk to your website host, designers, whoever takes care of the website, and get them to sort your SSL cert out. Just think about it when you use websites. If you come along to a website and you get a warning saying this site is not secure, I hit the back button. I'm not going to use that site. So don't let yourself fall foul of that. Not for the time and cost implication. It's minimal. Make sure you get your SSL sorted. Number 4, crawl errors. Crawl errors are not good. It wastes your crawl budget within Google. It also makes their life more difficult. And also, if your users are trying to navigate your site and they're falling foul of broken links and things like that, it's not a good user experience. You want to get it cleaned up. So you should have Search Console. If you don't, you need to make sure you get signed up to it. It will basically feed back straight from Google what the issues are with your site, what problems it has when it crawls it, and what it wants you to fix. And you basically just make sure you keep up to date on that, and then everything is hunky-dory. So make sure you're using Google Search Console. Number 5, regular technical SEO audits. This is essential. Things change on websites all the time. Issues crop up all the time. You want to make sure that your site is running at an optimum. Basically like a service. That's what I view a technical SEO audit as. SEMrush, free trial in the description below, by the way, if you want to check that out, is basically an all-in-one suite that will basically keep crawling your site, feeding back on errors. You're able to run technical SEO audits. They also do a load of other cool things like, checking your rankings and things, which I'm not going to go into in this video. But whatever system you use, you need to make sure that you are running regular technical SEO audits. You want to know that if something goes a bit wonky on your site, that you catch it and you're able to fix it as quick as possible, because it can affect your overall conversion rates, rankings, usability of the site, Google crawling your site. You just don't want to fall foul, especially if you go through the process of fixing everything to begin with. You want to make sure you're doing these regular technical SEO audits so that you stay on top of things and make sure nothing goes sideways. So I'd love to know, do you do regular technical SEO audits, or is this all new to you? If you're running regular audits, drop me a yes in the comments below. If not, drop a no. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it's been useful. If so, make sure you click that like button. If you're new, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.